Namaste. Today we're going to speak about how to heal traumatic life experiences. As we grow throughout our life and become a teenager, an adult, we have traumatic experiences that may occur in our life. They could be physically traumatic. They could be emotionally traumatic. So how do we overcome these experiences or heal these experiences? First, close your eyes for a moment and connect to the supreme light of supreme love, which is the image behind me. Ask the supreme light of supreme love to come into your heart and fill you, protect you, and guide you. First, you must understand that when something traumatic happens in our life, it is simply an experience that has left a residue physically and emotionally within us. There is a physical residue in our body, and there is an emotional, energetic residue inside of us. To heal this, you must have a very deep and close bond with the divine. Because it is important that you realize that you cannot heal this. The divine has to come and heal this. The divine has to come and heal this trauma. The way to experience this trauma, or rather heal this trauma, is that the supreme light of supreme love, your divine, has to come and allow you to completely experience this trauma fully. It is because we have not experienced something fully and completely and we're able to release the charge that we are carrying it inside. We are carrying it and eating with it. We're walking with it. We're sleeping with it. It's always inside of us. Everything that we do, we are carrying this trauma, this load with us. To release this load, you must undergo a process called samskar shuddhi, cleansing of the samskaras, cleansing of past experiences. This is a process that has to be done in person. It must be done in person. So we ask that if you need this process, you can come to a live workshop. Let us know that you need to do this particular process. You can email us, and we will coordinate this process for you, either in a group or individually. If you have questions about this, you can email us as well. Namaste.